Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money in MXC. First, open the MXC app or website. In the top right corner, tap Deposit. You'll see three options. On-chain deposit for sending crypto from another wallet or exchange. P2P trading if you don't have crypto and want to buy using local payment methods. Quick buy or sell for buying crypto using a credit or debit card. For this example, let's use on-chain deposit. Choose the crypto you want to deposit, like USDT, BTC, or ETH. Next, select the correct network such as BSC, TRC20, or ERC20. Once the deposit address appears, copy the address and send your crypto from your other wallet. MXC will show the status and your funds will appear once confirmed. And that's it. That's how to deposit money in MXC. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.